Siddheshwar Group presents Shri Siddheshwar Nagar 2 at Velhari, Besa, Nagpur. The growth of Nagpur is concentrated in southwest part of the city known as the New Nagpur. It's the education hub, IT hub and now the cargo hub. Connected with the metro rail and multi-layered overbridge to have hassle-free access. After the successful completion of Shri Siddheshwar Nagar 1 and many more prestigious projects in the around Nagpur, Shri Siddheshwar Group now introduces Shri Siddheshwar Nagar 2 with 300 plus residences, development infrastructure project one of its kind. As you approach Shri Siddheshwar Nagar 2 from this beautiful designed entrance gate with fountain welcoming you, the premises is secured 24/7, CCTV cameras and electrical surveillance for your safety. The commercial area has got semi-open pedestrian, an open shopping and entertainment area with upcoming prospective food shops, hair and beauty salon, supermarkets, plus office places and designer stores. The reception area of Clubhouse welcomes you with the state-of-the-art facilities like gym, community hall, tennis court and best in-class amenities available in the real estate industry. Rich library with vast collection of books. Enrich your knowledge by reading your favorite book or magazine in the calm and quiet environment of the rich library having great collection of books. Enjoy the table tennis or teach your kid at the tennis court. The classic tennis court in the clubhouse will definitely refresh your body and mind after the hectic day at your office. Shri Siddheshwar Nagar 2 will host innovative games including snooker, billiards and pool. The attractive community hall is ready to provide you the right ambience and make your get-together or party memorable. This is attached with lawn area also for night parties. The level 1 to function our clubhouse hosts a special carom and chess zone to enhance your gaming experience. The well-sanitized gym in the clubhouse would ensure your fitness with the latest equipment for exercise. Be it treadmill, cycling, weightlifting or running, there will be no break in your fitness schedule. The beautiful squash court will always fill you with vigor. The 4+ VIP AC suites are furnished with all the amenities to welcome your estimated guests. The swimming pool in the clubhouse is equipped with all the safety precautions with a beautiful pool view. Swimming experience will refresh you and will make energetic. The outdoor basketball court will make you fit and happy at the same time, whereas the attractive tennis court will encourage you to go for a tennis match. Each building in the Shri Siddheshwar Nagar 2 is designed keeping the nature in the mind. The landscaping has every plant, flower and tree grown naturally. You will get charged by the view of eye-catching garden. The open amphitheatre of its kind in Shri Siddheshwar Nagar 2. Beautifully designed jogging tracks spread across about 6.15 acres of prime real estate and featuring more space for green and open area. Beautifully designed temple will be estimated in Shri Siddheshwar Nagar 2 for harmony and peace of mind. The combination of gardens, serene places for enjoyment and temple will reflect the spirituality. The Galleria, having a shopping area and an entertainment area, will occupy the pride of place in Shri Siddheshwar Nagar 2. In Shri Siddheshwar Nagar 2, You have choices of row houses, 3 BHK or 2 BHK flats. You can decorate this house of your dreams with the interiors of your choice. There shall be no disturbance between your enjoyment, whether it's watching your favorite program on television or listening to your playlist. The wall of your row houses will express their feelings after looking at your favorite paintings. The smell of the delicacies cooked in the kitchen will satisfy your senses. The dining in the row houses will enhance the taste of the delicious food. The prayer room in the row house will make your worship for your God more spiritual and satisfy your soul. The bedrooms are equally attractive and will glow with the bedsheet color. The bedroom on the first floor will show you the natural and scenic view of the surrounding. The balcony of the row houses will never act as a hurdle in you and your nature. All it comes up with beautiful views from every home at Sri Siddheshwar Nagar 2. When the project Sri Siddheshwar Nagar 2 will be completed, it will be a part of community that will feature central play areas, recreational spaces, trails, earth wounding, and many more. The structure of each building in the township vouch for the fitness architectural design, robust structural design built with the best building material. Whether it is your car or your favorite bike, there will be no dearth of space to park them in. While descending the elegantly designed stairs to reach the garden centrally located on the first floor with fountain, specially known as podium, enchanting garden area, your eyes are glued, your heart will start singing. The design of the building in Sri Siddheshwar Nagar 2 has got ample scope for sunlight and fresh air to flow in. Be it chandelier or your favorite painting, the living room in the 2 BHK flat will enhance the beauty of everything in your house. The smell of your favorite food will fill the ambience of kitchen in your 2 BHK flat. The sparkling colors and textures will make your bedroom of 2 BHK flat more attractive. The other bedroom in 2 BHK is also designed in such a manner that it will instill satisfaction within you, for sure. The exteriors of Sri Siddheshwar Nagar 2 maintains the right balance between classic design and natural content. We have kept no stone unturned to strengthen your connection with the nature. The testimony of it is that you can have a dialogue with nature from the terrace of every flat. You can find the house of your dream in the 3 BHK flat at Sri Siddheshwar Nagar 2. You can decorate the living area in your 3 BHK according to your choice. Be it your favorite wallpaper or tiles, there won't be any difference in what you dream and what you see. Each area of the flat, be it the kitchen, living room, or bedroom, the ambience at Sri Siddheshwar Nagar 2 will always make you believe that you have found your home of your dreams. Sri Siddheshwar Nagar 2 would be accessible by road from 3 directions, with prime location and close proximity of inner and outer ring roads. And key access routes, Besa Manewada and Wardha Road, will grant its residents to easy access to Nagpur city, central and commercial spaces like Mihan, etc. All amenities with a low-density township within nature's love. Sri Siddheshwar Nagar 2 welcomes you.